where do they stand about the legalization of euthanasia. First, we were going to ask the right side. Where do you stand? Against euthanasia. The right side of the group is against euthanasia. And how about the left side? They're pro-euthanasia. And the left side is pro-euthanasia. Now, you can start the debate. Who will start? Let's start now to the pro-euthanasia.
We support the legalization of euthanasia for two primary reasons, and that is everyone has the right to choose. It's a matter of personal decision, and also everybody has the right to die with dignity.
So how about you guys? Why are you against the legalization of euthanasia?
We stand. Secondly, euthanasia is violates the principle of sanctity of life, which should be God is the only one who has the right to take lives from us because He created us.
So what would you say about that? Pro.
So, if in your side, if you're saying that we're violating the principle of inviolability, if you're sorting to euthanasia, well, have you considered, does the law consider the principle of autonomy? Because every person has the right to make his own decision for himself. That's the principle of autonomy. So, we're also violating that principle.
You may say that it's violation of autonomy, but have you considered that it may be brought about by his or her depression or misapprehension of his true prognosis to take up euthanasia?
But legalizing euthanasia does not mean that everybody or every individual or the terminally ill patients doesn't have any other choice but to sort to euthanasia. It only gives them the choice. Legalizing euthanasia does not mean na yung mga patients or yung mga terminally ill patients are up to do yung euthanasia nga. It only gives them a choice, and also yung mga yung mga right ng doctors, which is yung to refuse.
Will answer.
Ano ba yung galit niya? Sa doctor?
Kasi hindi, 'di ba? Kasi there are cases wherein yung doctors kasi natatakot mag-ano ng euthanasia kasi sila, parang kahit na yun yung desire ng patient na ayaw nilang gawin kasi natatakot sila kasi nga it is illegal. So parang alam mo yun, with that na parang na-violate nga yung yung principle of autonomy kasi hindi na susunod yung gusto ng patient. Kahit nga it doesn't meron akong na-research wherein yung sabi daw, honoring a patient's end of life decision is a core value. Tapos alam mo yun, yung patient pa rin yung may hawak sa buhay niya kahit na terminally ill siya, wala siyang nandun na vegetable na lang siya doon. Parang kailangan niya pa rin ma-feel na meron pa rin siyang control over his life kahit na wala na siyang nagagawa.
Ang ibig mong sabihin, ito ay yung pasyente mismo mag-decide, which is voluntary euthanasia. Ibig sabihin, kapag yung pasyente ay vegetable na in PVS siya, hindi na siya makakapag-decide for himself. Ang tendency nun, yung kapamilya na nabibigatan na sa bayad sa hospital, sa emotional stress, siya yung magde-decide for the patient itself na patayin na lang kaysa pa maghirap sila at maghirap pa yung pasyente. Ganun ba ang ibig mong sabihin?
That's our point. Sinabi mo na patayin na lang yung patient dahil nakikita nila na naghihirap yung patient. That's our point. Euthanasia. Kaya nga may euthanasia dahil gustong i-end yung sobrang suffering ng patient dahil dun sa nararamdaman niya. Mamamatay na din siya. Why not end na lang yung life niya in a mas easy way, di ba?
Bakit gagamit agad ng euthanasia if you can first eliminate the pain, di ba? Meron namang mga anesthesia or meron ng modern Okay, that would be the last argument about the legalization of euthanasia. Then we will have the last statements about the stand of each group, and we will start at the pro. Last stand.
diba, lahat, yung mga patient may Bill of Rights. So, dapat every patient must have an option. So, bakit hindi maging option yung euthanasia? Kasi, diba, para may alternatives sila. So, pero dapat sabihin din na yung pwede maging pros and cons nun.
At yung pag-legalize naman ng euthanasia, hindi naman meaning yun nun na lahat ng tao, lahat ng individuals ay ay forced ng mag-commit ng euthanasia. Pero eto lang ang isa nilang options kung wala na talaga silang pag-asang mabuhay.
And your last stand?
Tsaka nasa psychological effect lang kung bakit nag-decide yung patient na patay na siya.
Saka euthanasia is a violation of sanctity of life. Wala tayong karapatan na patayin ang isang tao dahil sa kagustuhan niya, dahil sa paghihirap niya, kundi ang Diyos lamang ang mayroong karapatan upang kunin ang ating buhay na kanyang binigay.
No one can permit one's life, diba? So, kami, antay kami. So, hindi, against talaga kami sa euthanasia.
Pag yung voluntary euthanasia, na-legalize siya, may posibilidad na susunod na rin yung involuntary na kung sakaling talagang wala na talagang yung tao, papatayin na lang siya ng mga doktor. Paano naman yun kung gusto pa ng tao na mabuhay siya, hindi lang siya makapagsalita, di ba?
Legality.
Okay, that would be the end of this debate, and it's for you to choose whether you will go pro about the legalization of euthanasia or go against it.